The benefits of going with a cloud-based solution is it does not require us a long life cycle of building servers, installing software. And then it also removes the maintenance and operational tail of maintaining such a solution. Since we implemented the Fortify On Demand application security program, we've noticed some interesting benefits. One, we have partnerships with many vendors out there in the world. Part of our relationships with them is that they test our applications that are supporting their business processes. Vulnerabilities that they've identified, our business partners have identified, have dropped tenfold in the first 2 years. So that is, in turn, reducing our cost on post-production or post-implementation efforts.
The business benefits of implementing Fortify SCA have been just the obvious reduction in the number of risks and vulnerabilities that are getting out in our products in production. The value of integrating your static code analysis into your development lifecycle is immeasurably valuable. The easier you can make it on a developer or an engineer to audit and resolve the issues, the more likely those issues are going to be resolved. So by allowing us to very quickly and immediately get a scan, post it to a central location, the developer or engineer being able to look at that and immediately audit and move on is priceless. It's just, it allows it to actually get done. It gives us the competitive advantage over our competitors in that we are putting forth the effort to accomplish this and give the consumer confidence to our clients and customers that we are accomplishing better applications, more secure applications, and that is extremely important to our customers. The other thing that I have seen as a benefit of using Fortify is education. One of the great things that Fortify does is it provides recommendations, details, explanations of why this was considered an issue or a risk, and here are some possible solutions for it. Inherent in the process of resolving those is an educational benefit to developers where over time the developers actually begin to code more securely. The main benefits we have realized from implementing HP Fortify SCA are better secure code, better educated developers, and an overall stronger application security program.
Initially, when we rolled this program out, there were a lot of findings. Coders were using bad techniques. They haven't been through the training yet. They weren't made aware of the proper techniques that the hackers are leveraging to be able to breach our software. Once they've gone through the training and been through a few iterations of this testing cycle, we're seeing now that they're actually writing the code much cleaner. Our code is running much more efficiently, and we're seeing a lot less rework and a lot less findings in testing, post-implementation testing as well.
The other thing I like most about Fortify is its integration with the SSC. Love the Software Security Center, how it provides a central location for all the development teams. I can manage access across all development teams and different engineering groups in one place, and I can know that the scans are getting up there and I can see them getting audited. I really enjoy the visual interface of SSC that couples with the SCA scans.
The computer-based training that's offered through the program allows our developers to study at their leisure, allows them to stop whenever they want to stop and come back to the test without losing ground. At the end of it, allows them to test themselves, points out where they made mistakes at, what they can look into.
One of the important things about Fortify to me and why we've chosen Fortify SCA over other solutions is the number of languages that are supported. Having all those languages to support allows me to know that with one tool I have the capabilities of hitting all of our applications that are being developed. So it's very important to have multiple languages to be able to scan.
Working with HP over the years, what I've learned is that HP has some of the best solutions and technologists in the field. They are constantly evolving their ability to deliver to the customer, and they're constantly evaluating how they can do better. As we continue to acquire new companies, as we continue to grow our business, Fortify On Demand will be a key integral part of our application development program.